for the city to think of the Nob Hill businesses, and specifically me as a restaurateur, I'm extremely excited. It allows people to come, still experience that tradition while being safe, but it also helps with the business traffic for our business as well. So extremely excited and very grateful. So the artist was Lance, and his inspiration for it, he told us, was quarantine. But he calls it the Lighthouse. This has been a dark year for a lot of people, and for something to be simplistically called the Lighthouse, I think that brings a very positive connotation with it. Again, the light in the darkness, fun when it's not necessarily the most fun year.
But we can't do fine dining here in the inside, so what we decided to do was go to a fast casual kind of deal, so it's easier for people to come in, get their food, and take it home. And then we also, we done things like a jamon which is a ham sandwich with herb garlic butter, and it comes with fries. We also have the French bread pizzas, which come with the Route 66 sugarcane soda that is also a local company here, small business here in Albuquerque. And then we do also have a table on the patio that you can come enjoy with us. This has been a rough time for everybody, but we're here to serve. We did keep some of your favorites on, such as a steak, mussels, and duck confit. So if that's something you want to order, you can get it for to go, or you can eat out on the patio.
Best way to connect, we're open right now. Obviously hours continue to change, but right now we're open Wednesday through Saturday, 2 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. And you can order online at orderpetitlouisbistro.com. And you can call 575-693-8568 if you have any questions, gift cards. We're ready to serve our community. From myself, Aaron Hunley, co-owner of Petit Louis Bistro, and my business partner, Julia Maestas, just want to say Merry Christmas from our family to yours.